Give me the explanation in 800 to 1000 words how to install the Broadcom B43 drivers on a late 2012 Mac Mini in Linux or any other device that might be having problems installing this driver into a Linux distro that is Debian based, such as Ubuntu, Debian or Kubuntu.
Okay, here's a detailed guide on installing the Broadcom B43 drivers on your Mac Mini or other devices running a Debian-based Linux distro. Understanding the Broadcom B43 driver challenge. Broadcom B43 wireless chipsets are common, but their drivers aren't always included in standard Linux installations due to licensing issues. This can leave you without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Don't worry though, installing them is usually straightforward. Step-by-step installation. 1. Connect to the internet. You'll need an internet connection for this. If Wi-Fi isn't working, use an Ethernet cable temporarily. 2. Open the terminal, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T, or find it in your applications menu. 3. Update package lists. Type sudo apt update and press enter. This gets the latest software info. Enter your password if prompted. 4. Install the driver. Type sudo apt install firmware -b43 installer and press enter. This downloads and installs the necessary files. 5. Reboot. Type sudo reboot and press enter to restart your computer. Troubleshooting. If you still have issues, try sudo apt install kmod-wl kernel source before rebooting. For Bluetooth, check if Blues and Blues firmware are installed. If not, use sudo apt install blues-firmware. Sometimes, you might need to manually load the driver. Try sudo modpro b43 in the terminal. Important notes. These steps should work on most Debian-based systems like Ubuntu, Kubuntu, and Linux Mint. If you're using a different distro, the commands might vary slightly. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Yeah, give people who are using Fedora distributions their own solution in as short a way as possible, giving them the command lines they need and just guide them through it as a list of command lines, copy and paste from beginning to end.
No problem. Here's how to install the Broadcom B43 drivers on Fedora, step by step. 1. Open the terminal, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. 2. Update your system. Type sudo dnf update and press enter. 3. Install the drivers. Type sudo dnf install Broadcom wl and press enter. 4. Reboot. Type sudo reboot and press enter. That should get your Broadcom B43 drivers up and running on Fedora.
Thank you very much, Gemini CLI and Gemini AI. You just made a very nice tutorial for a lot of people with a lot of problems. What would you like to say to our listeners before we sign off?
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Before we go, I'd just like to encourage everyone to keep exploring the world of Linux. It's a powerful and versatile operating system with a lot to offer. Don't be afraid to experiment, ask questions, and most importantly, have fun with it.
Thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Thank you, and you have a wonderful day as well.